Hi, I'm Love with Kendall Subaru of Eugene, and today we're going to be demonstrating Subaru Eyesight's pre-collision braking. We're going to be taking this Forester and taking it up to basically 20-25 miles per hour, and then just driving towards this inflatable Subaru Forester that we have here. If it works as it's supposed to, it should be looking out for all those potential collisions and apply the brakes and stop you before you actually hit something. I have not done this before. I feel pretty confident that it's going to stop. Definitely a little bit intimidating to test out, but I think it'll be fun. So the experience with the pre-collision braking system, it's definitely, it's a bit jarring, but at no point does it make you feel unsafe. There was definitely a lot of time for the vehicle to remind me and kind of let me know that there could possibly be some braking intervention. The beeping does start pretty early. So I think it's pretty nice that you still have quite a bit of opportunity to be completely in control and really use that as a last line of defense. This comes in all Subarus, and for the 2025 model year, pre-collision braking is going to be standard on all of them.
For more information, feel free to subscribe to this channel, or you can come down to our showroom on Good Pasture Island Road and ask for me, Love. Or you can check out our website at kendallsubaruonline.com. Kendall, let's start something great.